Hello everyone, welcome back to RPIIT Academics. In this video, we are going to learn about bilirubin estimation in urine sample. So firstly, let us see what is bile salts. So primary bile acids like cholic acid and chenodeoxycholic acid, that is a CDCA, which are synthesized from cholesterol in liver, conjugated with glycine or taurine and secreted into the bile. Then there is a secondary bile acid, that is deoxychocolate and lithochocolate, are formed in the colon as bacterial metabolites of the primary bile acids. And sodium terocholate and sodium glycocholate are found in urine. There is a test for detection of bile salts, are Hayes test. This is a standard method for the detection of bile salts. So let us see what is the principle for the Hayes test. Bile salts, when present, they will decrease the surface tension of the urine. If there is a bile salts are present in the urine sample, they will decrease the surface tension of the urine. But if there is an absence of bile salts, they will not decrease the surface tension of the urine. The procedure for Hayes test is like that. We have to take 10 ml of urine. In 10 ml of urine in beaker, okay, and we have to sprinkle dry sulfur powder on the surface of urine. So that sulfur powder looks like a pale yellow in color, and basically if I say the requirements for this procedure, we need a beaker, then we need a test tube or maybe a container which will hold the urine sample, and if the reagent I talk about, we need one thing, that is a sulfur powder, okay, and if I talk about the specimen, we need a urine sample. So basically we have to take 10 ml of urine in a beaker, and on that 10 ml of urine we have to sprinkle some dry sulfur powder on the surface of the urine. So the principle says that when there is a presence of bile salts in the urine sample, they will decrease the surface tension of urine, and if there is an absence of bile salts in the urine sample, they will not decrease the surface tension of urine. So result is based on this principle. So let us see what are the observations after sprinkling the sulfur powder of the surface of the urine. The results are like, if bile salts are present, they sink to the bottom. That means if there is a presence of bile salts in the urine sample, the sulfur powder that will sink to the bottom. Okay, why that particular powder sink to the bottom? Because the presence of bile salts decreases the surface tension of urine. So urine basically lost the capacity to hold the powder onto their surface, so that's why the powder gets sink down to the bottom, otherwise they float on the surface. So positivity shows the presence of bile salts, that is there will be sink to the bottom, and negative result would be like that, the powder will remain float on the surface. So that was like so that was the video for that was it for this video. If you like this video, then please do subscribe our channel, that is RPIIT Academics. Thank you very much.